Picture this. It's a busy morning and you're rushing to get out the door. You need a quick, healthy breakfast option. Enter the breakfast smoothie, a perfect blend of speed and nutrition. In just a few minutes, you can whip up a delicious smoothie that will keep you energized throughout the morning. Let's dive in. Start by gathering your ingredients. A ripe banana, a handful of berries, a cup of fresh spinach, half a cup of yogurt, and a cup of almond milk. Bananas are packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Berries are rich in antioxidants that boost your immune system. Spinach offers a good dose of iron for your energy levels. Yogurt provides probiotics for a healthy gut, and almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative with a subtle nutty flavor. Begin by adding the banana to the blender, followed by the berries, spinach, yogurt, and almond milk. For an extra nutritional punch, consider adding a scoop of protein powder, a teaspoon of chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey. These optional add-ins can enhance the flavor and health benefits of your smoothie. Blend everything until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Pour your smoothie into a glass, add a straw, and for a touch of elegance, garnish with a few fresh berries or a mint leaf. Enjoy your delicious, nutritious breakfast that was made in no time.